Good morning, girls. This is exercise 12.2 children, and we started yesterday. And this is based on applications of Heron's formula. And used to find that area, or Heron's formula used to find the area of quadrilateral. Now we completed with these four questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now today we'll continue with the exercise, and that is question number 5. A rhombus shaped field. I hope you remember the formula. A is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, under root of it. And we find S by adding the three sides of the triangle divided by 2, which is called the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, beginning with the fifth question, it says that there is a rhombus shaped field which has green grass for 18 cows to graze. Okay, so I'll draw question 5. I'll draw a rhombus. Okay, now that complete rhombus-shaped field can be 18 cows can graze the grass. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, so 18 cows are grazing the field. How much area will each cow get? So first we have to find, this is the diagram A, B, C and D. Okay. Now each side in a rhombus is 30 meter because all the four sides are equal. You all know the properties of the quadrilaterals because you've studied in class 8th. Now the diagonal which is given is 48 meter, right? Now we can find the first we can find the area of this complete field, and we know that this complete field is means 18 cows graze this complete field. We have to find how much area will each cow get. Okay, so if we take triangle, as you know that the sides of this triangle and this triangle ABC and ADC are equal, the area will be same for both. So let us first find out the area of triangle. Which one? Wait, area of triangle ABC. Now S is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2. 60 and 48 will be 108 by 2, that is 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. So the semi-perimeter is how much? 54 meter. Now as you know that the sides which are given over here are 30, 48 and 30. We will now find the area. So A will be equal to 54 into 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30 and 54 minus 48 under root. Now A will be equal to 54 into 20, 24 into 24 into 6. Okay. Now if I factorize 54, I will get 9 6 are 54, and 9 I can break it up and write 3 into 3. Okay, so I will write 9 into 6. 6 I will bring it here into 24 into 24. This also can be written as 3 into 3 into 6 into 6 into 24 into 24. We can further factorize, but here as we can see that we are getting the pairing of each number, so therefore area will be 3 into 6 into 24, that is 24 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 72 into 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 42, 43. So area of triangle, which one? Which triangle we had taken? A, B, C equals to 432 centimeter square. Centimeter or meter? Meter square. Now similarly, area of triangle ADC will also be equal 432 meter square. What is the total area? Means what is the area of rhombus? Area of rhombus will be equal to how much? 432 plus 432. So this is equal to 4, 6, 864 meter square is the area of rhombus. Now we want how many how much area will each cow will graze? Okay, so we will write 18 cows graze 864 meter square. Therefore, one cow will graze how much? 864 divided by 18. Simplify, we get 2 9s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 432 by 9, 9 4s are 36, 43 minus 36 is 7, 72, 9, 8 is up. So therefore, one cow will graze how much area? 48 meter square, and that's the answer. So I hope it is clear to you that we first find the area of the rhombus by finding the area of triangle. Since both the triangles will have same area, we will add the two, that the total will be at 64 centimeter square. Then 18 cows are grazing this much field, this much area, one cow will graze. Dividing, we get 48 meter square as the answer. Okay, this completes your question number 5. Now, question number 6. An umbrella. Now the diagram is given over here. An umbrella is made up of stitching 10 triangular pieces of the cloth of 2 different colors, white and blue. Okay, now the measurement of each side 20 50 50 is given. 20 50, inside part also will be 50. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? If you want, you can draw this figure in your notebook. And starting with 6th one, we have sides of triangle, that is 20, 50 and 50 centimeter. Now S will be 20 plus 50 plus 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. 120 by 2, which gives you 60 centimeter S. Okay. Now, sorry. Now, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. If you want, you can separately find out or directly apply the formula. So, 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50 and 60 minus 50. This is 40, 10 and 10. Yes? 20, 50, 50, 20, 50, 50. Okay. So area is equal to 60 into 40 into 10 into 10. Therefore, A will be 60. I can break it up and write 20 into 3. 40 I can break it up and write 20 into 2 and 10 into 10. Now as you can see, children, here 20 is forming a pair. We can further simplify and find the answer. Here also it will give you a correct answer. So this is also one pair. So 10 into 20 will be outside the square root. So that will be 200 root of 6. Wait. 20 and 200. Okay. Now total. This is centimeter square. Total, how many triangles are there? Total number of triangles are how many? 10. Given in the question, as you can see here, that the umbrella is made up of how many? The whole umbrella is made up of how many? 10 triangular pieces. So we will multiply the area what we got. The area what we got, we'll multiply by 10, and that will be 200 root 6 into 10. That will give you 2000 root 6 centimeter square. This is the total area of the whole umbrella. Okay, so we'll write the total area is equal to how much? 2000 root 6 centimeter square. Therefore, cloth needed for each color. How many colors are there? White and blue. You must have seen the diagram. So therefore 2000 root 6 I will break it up, or I can divide it by 2. Okay, so therefore it will be 1000 root 6 and 1000 root 6. This will be the cloth needed for stitching an umbrella of 2 different colors, that is centimeter square and centimeter square. So this we assume it to be white color and similarly blue color. This is your final answer, because separately it is asking how much cloth is required for each color to make the umbrella, of each color to make the umbrella. Now one more, I'll do it. Question 7. Look here. 5th, 6th complete. 7th. Children, this exercise is very easy. Even this chapter is easy. Heron's formula, if you know how to use it. The only thing is you have to understand the question properly. A kite. Now this is a kite which is in the shape of a square. Okay. So I will draw a square. This is in the shape of a kite. And as you can see over here, that the sides, the diagonals are joined. Diagonals are joined. Each diagonal, see 32 centimeter is one diagonal. Now you must be remembering the properties of the square. 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter are the sides of this triangle, small one. So I will write it here. 6, 6, 8. They have named it as 3. Okay, this is 1. And where is 2? This is 2. This blue color and this is of the white color. Now as you know that in a square both the diagonals are equal. Okay, so you have to learn this property. Both the diagonals are equal in a square. And one more thing you have to remember, that the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other. So when the diagonals bisect each other, they are equal. So therefore if this total length is 32, this will be 16, this will be 16. This length will also be 16 and this length will also be 16, and they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so there are so many properties of the diagonals of a square. You can go through it. If you don't remember, you can go through your textbook of class 8th. Now, when I look at this triangle, this one, where I've written 1, you can find the area of this triangle by half base into height. Similarly, half base into height. And we will find this by Heron's formula. And then we'll find separately for white color, blue color and the isosceles triangle. Why isosceles? Because two sides are equal. Okay, now. Area of triangle 1. Half into base into height. Half into 16 into 16. 2 8s are 16 8s are 16 8s are 8 6 are 48. 128 centimeter square. Now similarly, area of 2, it will also be same, half into base into height. So same, 8 6 are 48, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 12. So again the answer is correct, 128 centimeter. So therefore 128 plus 128. Why? Because I am adding for both. For this is 128. So for this also I am going to, for blue color I am going to add. For white color also I am going to add, and then the isosceles one. So therefore I am going to write here. What is this? Paper. So paper required, or we can directly write blue color paper required is equal to 128 plus 128, which is 256 centimeter square. Similarly, white paper required, right? White paper also will be 128 plus 128. That is also 256 centimeter square. Now coming to that small triangle in which this is 6, this is 6 and this is 8. We will write 6 plus 8 upon 2. This will be S. 6 and 6, 12 and 8, 20. 20 by 2, that is 10. So therefore S is 10 centimeter. So area is root of 10 into 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 6, 4 and 10 minus 8, 2. Now we can factorize it. 10, I'll write it as 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and the square root of this. Go through the pairing, one pairing, another pairing. So for 2 and 2 and 2, I'll take 8 out and root 5 centimeter square. So your answers are number 1 if you say blue color, second one if you say for white color, and the third one you say for the isosceles triangle. You can write 256 centimeter square, 256 centimeter square and 8 root 5 centimeter square. If you know the answer for, if you know the value of 8 root 5, if you know the value of root 5, multiply it by 8 and the answer will be in decimals. So children, I'm stopping here. Today you complete these 3 questions, 5, 6, 7, and tomorrow I'll make one more video and I'll explain you these 2, and I will also discuss some examples with you. And see that children, you study well for your test. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Go through your chapters which we have completed in the previous months, and you can send me your doubts on my number. Okay, thank you, have a good day.